Hey guys, Rick for Sonance here, back for another video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this anti-up kind of style drop. So the final result will sound like this. So if you want these presets and drums right away, make sure to check bass Volume 4. That sample pack just drops and includes all the sound you need to make this kind of style of music. Besides that, you can get a project file on my Patreon. If you want all that, make sure to check the link down below. So now we're gonna dive into the remake. First, we'll start off with the drums. It's a really simple drum loop with a kick, clap, and hats. Then we have this bass line. Just a really groovy one. So we're gonna make it from scratch. Selecting a preset. We're gonna go for a square wave combined with a sine wave, because only a sine wave has less harmonics than a square wave, so it will make the sound a bit fuller. So both one octave down. We're gonna route them all to the filter. We're gonna use a low 18 with a cutoff around here, some dry fatness. Then we're gonna shape envelope 2. It's gonna be a really short envelope, so decay around 200, sustain down, and route to the cutoff. As you can hear this, already get the harmonics of the sound. Then we're gonna shape envelope 1. A little bit of sustain, some release, short decay as well. Select mono to avoid overlapping notes. Then we're gonna dive into the effects. So some hyper dimension, only some dimension to open up the bass line a bit more, some tube distortion to add a little bit more harmonics to make it sound a bit thicker. Then some chorus, just around 15%. We're gonna boost the lows a little bit. And we're gonna route envelope 2 to the gain of the high end. Just to add some more punch to it. Then we're gonna put out the master volume. Just a little bit. Add some compression. With a high attack. Just like this. So drums and bass sound like this. Now we're gonna dive into that kind of different lead sounding like this. So it's like in presets. We're gonna go for a detuned saw wave with a low 24 filter, with a cutoff around here, a lot of resonance, quite some dry fatness. So we're really bringing out the top end of the sound. Now we're gonna dive into effects. Some dimension, the 2 distortion to really open up the sound. Drive just around here. Some OTT. Then we're gonna cut off the lows because we have the bass line for that. And then some reverb and chorus. We're gonna use a high pass filter around here, and then we're gonna mix it in just like this. I think the sound can need some more delay as well, so we're just gonna add that. So together the sounds sound like this. And that's it for anti-up kind of style videos. So if you want the presets, make sure to check the link down below. If you like the video, please leave a like. Want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.